Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, February 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am okay, thanks. But I am very tired.
Me too. It is the middle of the week. We need coffee?
Yes, definitely. Is the machine working?
Yes, it is. I am making a cappuccino. Do you want one?
No, thanks. I want a black coffee. I need the energy.
You look busy. Do you have many meetings?
Yes, I have 3 meetings this morning. It is a crazy day.
I understand my day is full too. Sales never stop.
That is true. So, do you have any news?
Actually, yes. Did you see the news on CNN yesterday?
No, I did not. I was working late. What happened?
It is about technology. It is very interesting, but also a little scary.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
The article is from February 3, 2026. It is about smart contact lenses.
Smart contact lenses? Like for your eyes?
Yes, exactly. A big tech company is selling them now.
What do they do? Do they help you see better?
Yes, but they do more. They can record video.
Wait, they record video with your eyes?
Yes, you wear the lens. You look at something and it records.
That sounds like a spy movie. Is it real?
It is very real. The article says they cost $600.
That is expensive, but the privacy is the problem.
I know. Imagine, Alex. I am talking to you and I am recording you.
I do not like that. How do I know if you are recording?
You do not know. The lens looks normal. It is invisible.
That is terrible for the office. We talk about private projects here.
I agree. But for sales, it is useful. I can remember my clients' faces.
David, you cannot record clients without permission.
I know. I am just joking. But the technology is amazing.
It is amazing but dangerous. Did the article say anything else?
Yes, it connects to your phone. You can watch the video immediately.
Wow, technology is moving too fast. I prefer my normal glasses.
Me too. But maybe in 2 years, everyone will have them.
I hope not. I like my privacy.
Speaking of money and rules, I saw another story.
Oh, what is that one about?
It was in the Wall Street Journal on February 1, 2026.
I like that newspaper. Is it about the economy?
Yes, it is about the G20 personal carbon wallet.
Oh, I heard a rumor about this. Is it official?
It is a proposal. The article explains the details.
How does it work? Is it a tax?
Sort of. Every person gets a limit for carbon every year.
A limit? Like a budget?
Yes? You have a carbon wallet on your phone?
Okay, and what happens if I use it all?
If you buy too much gas or fly too much, the wallet is empty.
And then, can I still travel?
Yes, but you pay a very high tax. It is like a fine.
That is controversial. How much is the limit?
The article says the limit is 4 flights per year.
Only 4 flights? That is very low.
Exactly. I am a sales representative. I fly 2 times a month.
So, this is bad for your job.
It is very bad. My company will have to pay a lot of money.
But David, think about the environment. It might help the planet.
I know, Alex. I want to help the planet. But 4 flights?
Maybe we can do more meetings on video calls?
It is not the same. I need to shake hands with people.
I understand. But the article says it is just a proposal, right?
Yes. The G20 is discussing it this week. It is not a law yet.
Well, let's wait and see. Maybe they will change the number.
I hope so. If not, I will take the train everywhere.
The train is nice. You can relax on the train.
That is true, but it takes a long time.
We need to adapt, David. The world is changing.
You are very calm, Alex. You always think about the big picture.
That is my job. I am a project manager. I plan for the future.
Well, the future sounds expensive and full of cameras.
You are funny today. Did you see any happy news?
Actually, yes. I saw something interesting in the New York Times.
When was this published?
It was from Monday, February 2, 2026.
Okay, what is the topic? Culture?
Yes, it is about the No Screen Sunday movement.
No Screen Sunday? What does that mean?
It is a new trend in big cities like New York and London.
Do people turn off their TVs?
It is more than that. The city turns off the public Wi-Fi.
Really? The city stops the internet?
Yes, only on Sundays, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Wow, that is bold. Why do they do it?
The article says, people are too lonely, they look at phones all day.
That is true. We are always on our screens.
So on Sundays, there is no Wi-Fi in parks or cafes.
And what do people do?
They talk, they play games, they read real books.
That sounds lovely, actually. I like that idea.
Really? I think it is crazy. What if I have an emergency?
David, the phone calls still work. Just no internet data.
Oh, okay, that is better. But no social media?
You can live without social media for one day. David,
I don't know. I like to check my emails on Sunday.
you should not check emails on Sunday. It is a rest day.
I know, but I am a workaholic. I like to be connected.
The article says it improves mental health. People feel happier,
I am happy when I sell things. I need the internet to sell.
but you do not sell on Sundays. You should try it.
Maybe. Do you think our city will do this?
I hope so. I would love a quiet Sunday in the park.
Without me sending you messages.
Exactly. Peace and quiet, no notifications.
You are terrible. I am fun to talk to.
I know, David. But sometimes silence is good.
Well, the article says 10 cities are starting this next month.
That is a big movement. It is growing fast.
It is strange. One news story is about smart lenses recording everything,
Yes,
and the other story is about turning off the internet.
it shows that we are confused about technology.
We want it, but we also hate it.
Exactly, it is a balance. We are trying to find the balance.
That is very deep, Alex. You're a philosopher today.
No, I just need my coffee. Is it ready?
Oh, yes. Your coffee is ready. Here's your cup.
Thank you, David. It smells good.
Be careful. It is hot. So what is your plan for the morning?
I have to prepare a presentation. It is for the new client.
The client from Chicago?
Yes, they are very demanding. I need to focus.
You are good at that. You are very organized.
Thanks, and you? What are you doing?
I have to call 50 people today.
50 people? That is a lot.
Yes, I am trying to sell the new software package.
Good luck. You need a lot of energy.
That is why I am drinking this coffee. It is my fuel.
Well, do not drink too much, you will be nervous.
I am always a little nervous. It helps me work faster.
Okay, I am going to my desk now.
All right. Have a good meeting, Alex.
Thanks, David. See you at lunch, maybe?
Yes, let's eat together. I want to talk more about the lenses.
Oh no, no more tech talk. Let's talk about food.
Deal? See you later.
Bye, David. Have a good day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.